What if you had a ticking time bomb in your body and you didn't even know it? That's what it is like for those who unknowingly have blood clots. These clots can cause extreme pain and nausea. On the more extreme end, clots can also cause strokes, as well as trigger all the painful symptoms of a heart attack. The longer you go without diagnosis and treatment, the more side effects you are likely to experience. How, though, will you know that you have a clot? Here are some of the major signs you need to be aware of. 1. Chest pain. When you have chest pain, it could be caused by multiple things. For example, it could indicate an issue with your heart. But if you experience pain whenever you take a breath, you may have a blood clot in your lungs. Fleeting pain that soon goes away is likely not a clot. If you're not sure what is causing your chest pain, you should consult with your doctor ASAP. 2. Leg pain. Leg pain can be a warning sign of a blood clot. As with chest pain, though, you need to pay careful attention to the nature of the pain. If you have a blood clot, you are likelier to experience lasting leg pain. It may even be a pain that seemingly doesn't go away. As always, if you have lasting pain and don't know what is causing it, we recommend you check with your doctor to get some peace of mind. 3. Bloody coughing. While there are other things that might cause you to cough blood, you may be able to tell you have a blood clot due to both the coloration and amount of your spit. Basically, if you are coughing up a teaspoon of blood or more, you almost certainly have a clot or other serious issue affecting your body. 4. Difficulty breathing. Many things can make breathing more difficult for you throughout the day. Sometimes, a quick jog or even a trip up the stairs is enough to leave us feeling winded. When this happens, though, the symptoms go away quickly enough once you catch your breath. The biggest warning sign, though, is that these periods of breathlessness last for hours or even for days.